How is spousal maintenance decided? There isn't a magic formula. So if you are saying, I need a monthly amount, then the actual evidential burden falls on you, not the other person. It doesn't really matter for starters if they can afford it or not. You need to set out your case. Okay. Number one, what's your income from all sources? Number two, what are your reasonable outgoings month to month? So number three, you can then work out the deficit, the difference between your income and your outgoings. That is your maintenance need. And of course, it doesn't end there, because then we go to number four. What's the other person's ability to pay? Can they afford this or not? A common trap I see is that people will look at that in reverse order. They'll look at affordability first, they'll look at what their outgoings are, but it's income, it's outgoings, it's the deficit, and then it's affordability. I hope that helps.